Hi, I'm Tom D. In the previous video tutorial, I was discussing how to add allowed and blocked referrer to your stream video library in your Bunny.net account. In this video, I want to discuss how to protect against hotlinking for your pull zone and your content that you are sharing through the Bunny.net CDN. First, I want to discuss the section of allowed referrer and the blocked referrers, how to add and how to remove these items. Let's go back to the Bunny.net account. In your panel, first step, I created the pull zone, which I named like tough coding. And for this pull zone, I will create the storage and attach storage to the pull zone. Therefore, I can add one of the file. Let's create the storage. Storage, I will name, for example, tough coding tutorial, letters, numbers, and dashes only. Okay, storage standard, I will not manipulate so much over these things. I will just accept it as it is. Add storage zone. Connected pull zones. No connected pull zones. Connect pull zone. Click on connect pull zone and I will choose the previously created pull zone, connect. Okay, I can refresh this page and I can see that for this storage, there's connected pull zone. What I am going to do, I will add example file in this storage. Under the file manager, I can upload it. Of course, these steps can be covered up with the API. If you want to see tutorial how to do these steps, what I'm showing right now through the API, let me know in the comments down below the video. Simply, I will just upload the file. I uploaded simple JPEG file, so I can click on it and I can see copy URL. I'll copy the URL. And here I open this URL using the web browser. Now we have a file behind the pull zone, so I can control access to that file by manipulating through the different API calls over that pull zone. So let's try to add allowed referrer other than, for example, I'll add a toughcoding.net as allowed referrer, so I shouldn't be able to open it to the others' origins. Now I uploaded this picture on my website, competitive website, toughcoding.com, and this picture comes from the pull zone. Actually, it comes from storage that is attached to this pull zone called toughcoding, and this picture is embedded on the website toughcoding.com. What I want to do right now, I want to add to the list of allowed referrer for that pull zone toughcoding.net, so the other websites like toughcoding.com cannot access that content. In the API call, you have seen that on the list of the pull zones, all three sections are empty, like allowed referrers, blocked referrers, and blocked IPs are empty. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add to the list of allowed referrers website called toughcoding.net, toughcoding.net on the list of allowed referrer. And this ID after pull zone, because this API Bunny.net pull zone is value that is different from video library, like you have seen in the previous videos. So pull zone ID I'm taking from the list of pull zones. Here is the ID of that pull zone and pull zone name. So I'm putting that ID here after the pull zone, and then I'm calling the method add allowed referrer. As a body is a raw and JSON, and here is a JSON object that has a field hostname and value toughcoding.net. Let's send it. Response is fine. The server successfully processed the request. Let's check it on the list of pull zones. On that list, you can see that allowed referrers list is not empty anymore. It contains toughcoding.net website. If I refresh the direct link, I cannot see anymore this picture. And this is the text message I left as alternative text for that image. You can see there is a link to the same picture, and alternative message I left is cannot be loaded. Content cannot be accessed from toughcoding.com website because it's not on the allowed referral list. Only website that is allowed to use that content is your website. Therefore, you have a protection of your content and you are avoiding someone to steal your content, to use your hosting limits and use your hosting bandwidth. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to visit my blog, which you can find directly from toughcoding.net website, or you can go to toughcoding.com and then switch to the blog. Here you'll find the latest articles, including this article that I described here, add allowed referring with banner.net. Here's all possibilities are like described over here, so you can visit that. See you.